Imagine a world where no one has to worry about the access to life-saving techniques, where technology fills the gaps in healthcare and where sustainability ensures a better future for all. But what if I tell you that we are far away from this dream? In this video, we will discuss about the critical challenges and the innovative ideas about the healthcare which will shape a better future. Today, the healthcare faces a lot of challenges. Let's discuss them with my co-host Abdurrahman.
When addressing the health issues, the one major issue that I would like to discuss is the black market organ trade. The black market organ trade is a cruel betrayal of humanity, preying on the desperation of poor, tearing families apart, reducing the price of human life.
Yes, and antibiotic-resistant infections are killing millions of lives annually. And do you know this invisible enemy is getting stronger every day?
Yes, while some people have good facilities, but at the same time, the majority of the people face inadequate infrastructure and lack of healthcare facilities.
From unclean water to overuse of chemicals, environmental dangers threaten public health globally.
All right, but where there are challenges, there are opportunities as well, which gives us hope. The hospitals which are adopting eco-friendly measures are not just saving our planet, but they are saving lives.
New strategies are helping healthcare facilities, minimizing the loss and maximizing the resources. Let's explore the idea of Health Connect, a mobile application which has been designed to revolutionize the healthcare. Let's talk with Muhammad Mateen, who is working on this idea of connecting healthcare with modern technology.
So, in this developing era of artificial intelligence, healthcare is such a sector that artificial intelligence should be introduced in this sector. Well, we have been working on an app, namely Health Connect app, which will be designed in such a way that it will bring volunteers, donors, and fundraisers from across the world on a single platform. And these can interact easily with one another and can give access to a lot, such as there will be a panel of doctors which will accommodate patients online, such as if the patients tell us certain symptoms, the doctors will simply suggest that depending on the symptoms you just told us, this is the accurate blood test or this is the accurate test which you need to get done. But more, the future of healthcare is directly dependent on our actions and how we cope up with various challenges which affect healthcare sector directly. By embracing technologies and reformulating new policies which are more favorable for healthcare sector as compared to the previous ones, we can make healthcare sector more and more better.
If this idea inspires you, let's step forward for a healthier future.